Hello! Today we are looking at our swaddle blankets from Lulu Moon. So they did send this to me to try out and give some feedback. These have some awesome colors. So it comes in a pack of 3 here. You see the 3 colors there. When you open them up, they are just as soft as can be. Really nice products, good quality. I like the colors myself. And I use swaddle blankets for everything. I like to swaddle. I think it's really good for babies and definitely helpful when feeding, all that stuff, sleeping, naps. But these are great. So they're machine washable. Wash with light colors. You can put them in the dryer. I like the colors. The biggest thing though is just the feel of it. I know you can't feel through the video, but man, they are super soft, just stretchy just enough, and just really comfortable. We got good hems, so it's not gonna come undone, and we're gonna rock these. Love them. So if you need a swaddle blanket, this is it. Try it out.